Okay, we've got the head ready here. We're going to take some of this out in here so we get a little bit of curvature to the cheek. So we'll use our small cutter to start with. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. We got this one lined out pretty good, so now we'll do that to this side too. We just go back and forth. We want to keep to make them, try to get them to be the same size. So that's what we're going to work on. Is we'll get this other side cut out, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.